Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're diving into the world of WordPress, one of the most popular content management systems out there. But like any tool, it has its pros and cons. So, let's break it down and see if WordPress is the right choice for you. First up, let's talk about the pros of using WordPress. Pro number 1, it's free and open source. WordPress itself is free to use, which is a huge plus if you're starting out on a budget. You can download it, install it, and start building your site without spending a dime. The open source nature means there's a massive community contributing to its development, which leads to constant improvements and a wealth of resources. This brings us to pro number 2, the vast community and support. There are countless tutorials, forums, and documentation available online. If you ever run into a problem, chances are someone else has too, and they've already posted a solution. Pro number 3, flexibility and customization. WordPress is incredibly flexible. Whether you're building a blog, an online store, a portfolio, or a corporate site, WordPress can handle it. There are thousands of themes and plugins available, both free and paid, that allow you to customize your site to your heart's content. These plugins can add almost any functionality you can think of, from SEO tools and social media integration to e-commerce capabilities and advanced security features. Pro number 4, SEO friendly. WordPress is designed with SEO in mind. It generates clean, readable code, which makes it easier for search engines to index your site. Plus, there are excellent SEO plugins, like Yoast SEO, that guide you through optimizing your content. These tools help ensure your content ranks well in search engines, driving more traffic to your site. Pro number 5, easy to manage. WordPress has an intuitive dashboard that makes managing your content straightforward. You don't need to be a tech wizard to update your site, create new posts, or add images and videos. The content editor, known as Gutenberg, uses a block-based approach, making it easy to create rich content layouts. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the cons of using WordPress. Con number 1, maintenance and updates. Because WordPress is open source, you're responsible for keeping your site up to date. This includes WordPress core updates, theme updates, and plugin updates. If you don't keep up with these, your site can become vulnerable to security risks. Regular updates are essential, but they can also occasionally break your site, especially if plugins or themes are not compatible with the latest version. Con number 2, security vulnerabilities. While WordPress itself is secure, its popularity makes it a target for hackers. Using outdated themes and plugins can introduce security risks. You need to take additional steps, like installing security plugins and using strong passwords, to keep your site safe. It's crucial to have a good security plugin and follow best practices to minimize risks. Con number 3, can be slow. WordPress sites can sometimes be slow, especially if you use too many plugins or have a poorly optimized theme. Slow loading times can affect user experience and SEO rankings. To combat this, you might need to use caching plugins, optimize images, and consider a good hosting provider. Con number 4, learning curve. While WordPress is user-friendly, there's still a learning curve, especially if you're completely new to website building. It takes time to learn how to use themes, plugins, and customization options effectively. Fortunately, there are plenty of tutorials and courses available to help you get up to speed. Con number 5, potential for bloat. With so many plugins and themes available, it's easy to go overboard and install too many. This can lead to a bloated site, which can slow down performance and create conflicts between plugins. Always remember to only install what you need and regularly clean up unused plugins and themes. So, there you have it, the pros and cons of using WordPress. It's a powerful tool with incredible flexibility, but it does come with its own set of challenges. Whether or not it's the right choice for you depends on your specific needs and your willingness to manage its upkeep. If you're just starting out and need a platform that's both powerful and customizable, WordPress is definitely worth considering. Just make sure you're prepared to invest the time to learn and maintain it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like me to cover next. See you in the next video.